Join me as I dive into the world of AI-powered gigs and see if I can land a freelance job that pays big bucks in 2025. The freelancing world is evolving faster than ever, thanks to AI. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to transition into freelancing, this video will guide you through the top AI-powered gigs that are redefining remote work. Welcome to the 10x Maker, where we explore cutting-edge ways to earn online using AI. Let's dive into the opportunities that could launch your freelance career in 2025. The freelance economy is booming, with platforms like Upwork and Fiverr reporting record-breaking demand for skilled freelancers. But here's the twist. AI tools are not only helping experienced freelancers streamline their work, they're leveling the playing field for beginners. If you're ready to harness this power, here are the top AI-driven freelancing gigs you should consider. Gig 1. Content writing with ChatGPT. First up, we have AI-assisted content writing. Tools like ChatGPT can help you draft blog posts, product descriptions, and even social media captions with minimal effort. As a freelancer, you can take on multiple writing gigs while letting AI handle the heavy lifting. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are brimming with opportunities for beginners who can deliver fast, quality content using AI tools. Gig 2. Graphic design. With Midjourney or Canva. Graphic design has never been easier, thanks to tools like Midjourney and Canva. You don't need a degree in design to start creating professional quality visuals. Offer services like logo design, social media graphics, and even custom art. The print-on-demand market is also a lucrative option for selling AI-generated designs on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. Gig 3. Video creation. With Synthesia. Video content is in high demand, and AI tools like Synthesia make it easy to create professional videos with human-like avatars. You can offer services like explainer videos, product demonstrations, or corporate training content, all without needing expensive equipment or advanced editing skills. Many businesses are willing to pay top dollar for this type of content, making it a perfect gig for beginners. Gig 4. SEO and digital marketing with Jasper. AI search engine optimization and digital marketing are core to any business's growth. Tools like Jasper AI can help you create SEO-optimized content, ad copy, and email campaigns in no time. As a beginner, you can start by offering services to small businesses or entrepreneurs looking to expand their online presence. The automation capabilities of these tools make it easy to manage multiple clients simultaneously. Gig 5. Virtual assistant with AI support. Finally, the role of a virtual assistant has been transformed by AI. Tools like Notion AI, Otter.ai, and scheduling software allow you to efficiently handle tasks like email management, calendar scheduling, and data entry. By integrating AI into your workflow, you can provide high-value services to busy professionals and entrepreneurs, even with minimal prior experience. Freelancing with AI is no longer just the future, it's the present. Whether you want to create content, design visuals, or manage digital campaigns, AI tools can help you get started quickly and scale your services. So, which of these gigs are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the 10x Maker, and hit the bell icon for more AI-powered income strategies. Let's turn your freelance dreams into reality.